Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add PayPal on your Big Cartel. First, log into your Big Cartel account. Once inside the dashboard, click on Accounts on the upper ribbon. Now scroll down until you're in the Get Paid section. Here you can see the option to accept payments with PayPal, so just set up your payment options. Once in, you can see that you can connect to PayPal and accept payments, so just click on Connect. Here you will be able to log into your account. You just need to type in your email and your country or region. After that, just click on Next and log into your PayPal accounts. That's just basically it. That's how you add PayPal on your Big Cartel. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.